Alikiba anaweza kuwasili kwenye press conference. Bibi na bwana, karibu kwenye press conference yetu ya Old School Bongo First Year Anniversary. Tunashukuru host wetu Music Princess, vile vile anniversary yetu itakuwa special kwa sababu tumeweza kupata fursa kumwalika one of the icon of East African music, ukipenda King Kiba. Atakuwa kwa sisi vile vile vijana nyumbani ambao watafanya special performance unit. Kwa sasa acha nimkaribishe mwenzangu anayefahamika kama Samir.
Yeah, God is good all the time. Mbona mmekaa mjakunywa chai, mmekunywa chai, umeshiba, tunawapikia ugali. You know, Dusit is the place to be. All the celebrities right now in the world, this is the place to be. If you are at Dusit, wewe na wachezaji wa Manchester United, celebrities, pigile makofi kidogo. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. Liverpool. My good name is Samir Brand. Why are you doing this? Yeah, my good name is Samir Brand, and I truly appreciate, and I want to thank each and everyone for coming through. And you are right now, Kenya, tunapitia mengi sana. So, for what is going on right now, I'd like all of us to observe a minute of silence. Kama uko na kofia, tutoe tu kidogo. Thank you. So, as you all know, we are here for the first anniversary Old School Bongo, which is going to be happening this coming Sunday, 19th October at Kabali. We truly appreciate the support that the media has been giving us, na kila moja, influencers, and watu wetu pia, we like to appreciate our customers. So, sitaki kuongea mengi sana, but pia we appreciate those princess for hosting us. Sirio? Kidogo zima simu yako. Yeah, we have to appreciate those princess hosting us. So, I'd like to introduce my panel from the far right, anaitwa Maria Lolo. She's one of the top influencers in Kenya, female influencers. She's also an actress, a content creator. Wapi kwa kofia yake tafadhali, ladies and gentlemen. Next to him, anaitwa Max. Max represents Kabali and Naibai, work together alongside Mark Tenya, who is not here, and Bells Evans. Evans ako somewhere hapa hivi. Sawa. Anyole. Hi, wave. Asante sana. I'll skip the big man himself and go to my gentleman here on my right, anaitwa Benjamin Otwa. Benjamin has been in the industry for quite some time. He specializes in managing and currently is the Alikiba's manager. On behalf of Benjamin. And then next is the gentleman who was hosting us, the MD of Music Princess. One more coffee at the Yeah, asanteni sana. So, we are here to engage. This is not even more than a press. We are here to engage with you. And I think from here, Kido will get us maswali. Ama kwanza ni Otwa. Will you introduce your artist before we proceed?
Ladies and gentlemen, sons and daughters of all ladies, I salute you all. Is it morning? Afternoon. Benjamin Otwal is my name, as you heard, Alikiba's manager. So first and foremost, I'd like to take this grand jubilant opportunity to say thank you for having us, and also to pass our condolences to the family and the country, and the continent and the world at large, for losing the Enigma, the former Prime Minister, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. It's with heavy hearts, but as human beings, there's only much we do. We plan, but God has better plans. So with me here, I don't think he needs an introduction per se, but just for the sake of formalities, he's an icon, he's a shaper of culture, he's a believer of change, and a very progressive artist. I'm a fan first, and ladies and gentlemen, sons and daughters of all ladies, I give you all Ali Kiba.
Thank you so much. So, Kilo, I think we are ready for taking the questions. And I appreciate Uncle Benson, one of the top media